Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for December 31st, 2019. We're just about to be into the new year. Let's start it off right. So we're looking at a chart of the ES S&P 500 futures, and we are currently down just about 1 point. Yesterday, we began talking about the fact that, listen, given the fact that we had a fairly poor close on Friday's trading session. We gapped up to all-time new highs. We then had consistent selling pressure. The first time we've really seen consistent sell side activity for the past couple weeks, that we ought to be going into this session uh, careful of what the day holds, particularly given the fact that we saw there was a relative outperformance of volatility instruments, i.e., there were institutional demand for hedging and portfolio insurance. We always want to be very aware of that situation and that context to ensure that we are not caught offside. And so yesterday, from the very open, we had just a very little kind of head fake push up, trying to reclaim this 32.43 level, and then we immediately sold off hard to the downside, and then just had a very weak bounce that has not shown any real significant strength or attempts to reclaim higher levels. And so this may mean in the interim, uh, a retest of this low at 32.17, which was yesterday's low intraday in the regular trading hour session. So let's take a closer look to see what are the levels that we need to keep in mind for today. So we have this 32.17 level to the downside, yesterday's low, but we also have this level right here at 32.32 as a line in the sand as for us trying to attempt to stabilize and create a situation or a context where we can begin to probably build some value within this 32.24 to 32.34 and a half level, continue to build some value, and perhaps later on in the week re-attempt to get back above 32.34 and into the 32.43 to 32.45 level. As always, keep it simple, smarty. There's no need to be pressing bets into the year end. If you've had a good year, if you've done well, you've ridden the trend, you have accumulated the gains that the market has freely given an offer this year. There's no need to press bets here. There's no need to be going all out to get some sort of, icing on the cake. Preserve your emotional, your mental, and your financial capital for the opportunities that are come into the new year. Be safe out there today, guys.